Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Air, flying indoors. Let's take a look. Coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. If you all remember the videos that I did, I was able to successfully fly the Spark indoors. However, my adventures with the DJI Mavic Pro weren't as great, and I'll show, you can see, I'll put that up on the screen. My wife was very fine with it. She said as long as I repair that damage will be fine. So I went very cautiously and trepidatiously in wanting to test the Mavic Air indoors. I was excited because everything I've tested so far with the Mavic Air has just been unbelievably awesome. Very, very, very impressed with this drone. So without further ado, let's get to this flight. Okay, if you all remember, I did successfully fly the Spark indoors. However, my adventures with the Mavic weren't too good. So we're going to take the DJI Mavic Air up for a spin inside and see how this one works. So let's get it started. We are now in tripod mode. Hit record. Get it up to just a little bit. Going very slowly and deliberately here. Now we're going to go forward here. Looking good. And it's not letting me go anymore, so I'm going to turn around here slowly. It's in tripod mode, so it's going to go slow. Alright, and I'm going to raise it up just a little bit here. And we're going to come forward. Looking good. I'm going to stop. Going to turn around here. I'm going to try heading to the corner. See how that works. Let's go just a little bit in that direction. Okay. And then we're going to turn around here. Come back. Face this direction, and we're going to come this way, and optional avoidance is working. That's why I left this on purpose, just to make sure. I'm going to turn around just a little more. I'm going to go all the way around here. Up just a little bit, and head to the window again, slowly. Now we're going to go ahead and turn around. And we're going to fly towards the other wall now, slowly. And now we're going to go ahead and bring it back. Have it come towards the camera. And you can see optical avoidance is working, and we're going to go ahead and bring it in for landing now. Okay, that was a successful flight indoors of the DJI Mavic Air. Okay, what'd you think about that? Of course, I had it in tripod mode, and that is my number one thing that I want to tell everybody. If you're flying the Mavic Air indoors, you need to have it on tripod mode. Everything gets slowed way down. You also want to disable return to home, because if that should accidentally be hit, it's going to want to get up to 20 or 30 meters, whatever that's set at, and it's going to put a nice little hole in your ceiling or a dent, and you definitely don't want to do that. So those are two things that I strongly recommend. I do have dark floors, and I was very impressed. The one thing that the takeaway that I got from this was the stability of the hover of the Mavic Air on a dark floor versus the stability of the hover of the Mavic Pro, which was horrible, and the Spark, which really, Spark did not really hover as well in place. That I was very impressed with. That was the one big takeaway from this. Again, want to thank Janelle at Florida Drone Supply for providing this Mavic Air for testing purposes. If you live in the state of Florida and have any DJI drone needs, please make sure you check them out. The link will be in the description. And make sure if you do something with them and engage them in commerce, please let them know that you saw this on Bill the Drone Reviewer. I'm sure they would really appreciate that. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and definitely tell others about our channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates on anything drone related and of course anything DJI related, and also our blog where I do post all of these videos so a lot of people can get notification there's a new video out there. Thanks for watching and happy flying!